In this video, I will show you how you can find out the high CPC keywords for your YouTube channel or for your blog post. So we'll start with the ChatGPT to get the ideas. So I'll ask ChatGPT to give me a list of high CPC keywords. So as you can see that when I asked him to give me the high CPC keywords, it has given me in different categories: insurance, finance, legal, health and wellness, and then real estate. And then you can see that it is a business and marketing is also there, but we'll select the main keyword or a main niche like finance. So we'll try to find out the high CPC keyword within the finance niche. Although all these words are high CPC words, but we want to find the long tail keywords that the people are actually searching. So once you find a root keyword, thing that we will do is to go onto the keyword planner, and then we'll put this root word in our keyword planner, and then we will see that what kind of keywords we will get from the keyword. So I'm just going to click the search. So it has somehow removed this word, so I'm just going to add insurance. We'll see that whether it gives us the insurance word or not. So it has given us car insurance and a list of almost 870 words, but we will not straight away go into this. The first thing that you can do is to look for the suggestions. Financial service providers, click on this, add this keyword. Then we are going to add financial product. We'll just add trading name. So next we'll sort this by top of page bid, and you will find out that this word 7 camera travel insurance has a CPC of $195, and towards the lower end we can also find the higher keyword like legal trading name, and then business liability insurance. This is search for around 10 to 100k. So one thing that you can do is to sort them out with the bid range. The other thing is you can search them by the 3 months change or yearly change. In the start you will see these infinities, just ignore them and look for where you will get this plus 900 cheap auto insurance. Now this word has around 10,000 to 100,000 searches. It is searched in the last 3 months, in the last month also. Competition is medium, and the bid is $39. So we'll just take this cheap auto insurance, and we'll move on to the next step. The next step is that you can open a new window, or you can clear all these keywords and add this cheap auto insurance, and then click search results. Again, as we did previously, we can add these keywords: price auto insurance, cheap insurance policy. Just add this maybe. Okay, we'll just remove it and we'll focus on cheap auto insurance. And then again we can do is that we can search this by the highest bid, and that is cheap business car insurance, and it is searched between 100 to 1000. But this word, which is plus 900 change in the last 1 year, has 82 CPC, and the word is best price commercial auto insurance. So this is the keyword that you can search. And the next step that we want to do is we'll go on to the keywordtool.io. In the keywordtool.io, you click on this YouTube and then paste the keyword here and then search it. We just want to find out that whether this word is searched within the YouTube or not. And if you want to create a blog post, then you should select this Google. So within the YouTube, the options that are available to us is best commercial auto insurance, best insurance for commercial vehicle, and things like that. So we'll just select the Google, and we'll see that what kind of the keywords we get from there. Average cost of commercials and insurance, what is the best commercial auto insurance, how much is the commercial auto insurance policy, cheap commercial auto insurance policy. And the other thing that you can do is that click on to these questions, and you can find out the most searched questions on your topic. What is the best commercial auto insurance? And you can select 8 to 10 of these questions, and you can write a blog post by answering these questions. But since I am making this only for the YouTube, so I am just select the YouTube, and from here I will select this best commercial auto insurance. So I'm going to further refine it within the keywordtool.io. I am going to search now best commercial auto insurance, and commercial auto insurance carriers. Do I need a commercial auto insurance? Best commercial car insurance. So I think this is the word which has it's a long tail keyword. We'll just go on to the YouTube YouTube now, and we will search within the YouTube. Let's see. As per the vidIQ, the competition is low, the search volume is medium, and you can see that on the top, right on the top, we have a video from a channel which has only 3,000 subscribers. The next video has 2.5k views, and the subscriber count is 17,000. So you can see that we have found out a high CPC keyword which is easy to rank because the competition is very low. So this is how you can find out the low competition and high CPC keywords within any niche. So if you want me to give you a demonstration of any particular keyword or a niche, you can give that in the comment section below, like the word insurance or the online courses. Any word you will ask me, I will do the keyword research for you, and then you can use that keyword in your subsequent videos, or you can follow this method and find out the keywords for yourself.